What's going on, guys? Charlie Watson here with Beechmont Ford. Today we're going to take a second to show you a hands-free technology through Ford's Intelligent Access and the hands-free liftgate. Now this feature takes advantage of Ford's Intelligent Access, so make sure that your key fob is in your pocket. Ford has placed a sensor below the rear bumper. Simply walk up, wave your foot below the sensor, and the tailgate will open. From there, just let the technology do the work. It's that easy. Once you've put your belongings in the back, simply push the button and the liftgate will close. For more information on this awesome feature, visit us online at beechmontford.com.